Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our program, our English Talk, with me Widya as a host in this program. Well, viewers, hello to meet you again in our program. And in today's program, we are going to talk about everything. For example, English program and another activity based on our guest for today. And let's introduce our guest for today. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello. How are you today?
I'm excellent today. I'm very excited
Wow.
to come here. Thank you so much for the invitation for today.
You're welcome. So, sir, today we are going to talk about anything. It's about English,
Okay.
your activity as a host, and another things. And so, before we are talking about that more and more, so let's the viewers know you. You may introduce your name or what else you want to say to the viewers. Time is yours.
Okay, thank you. I'm TV viewers. At home. Let me introduce myself. My name is Erdi Sam, Radias Isharil Sam, and my activity, everything about communication. Actually, my activities. I am a host. I am a presenter and MC, moderator, interpreter, public speaker, and etc. Actually, and I'm coming here, of course, before such a honor to me to visit. This is my second. My second chance to come here, and well. What do you want to say? What do you want to ask me? Okay.
Just it.
Yeah.
Okay. It means you have a lot of activities. Okay, sir. Let's move to our topic for today. It's about English program.
Okay.
Okay. Based on your activity, it is a host, moderator, and anything else. Okay. Do you have a specific program that talking about English?
I do. I have special program in my podcast. Can I mention?
You may mention. You may promote.
Smart FM. We have a special English program since 2017. Yes, it's around almost 10 years almost, and the topic is always change. Every week, by week, and until now, and a lot of various the topic, and the topic is a very random, and all of majors, all of field, all of things come from like politics, economy, social, law, entertainment, religion, hobby, and anything.
I mean, who is the guest from your program?
In our program, actually, there are two concepts, but the original concept is come from only one community, but we already refresh our program, English program, from community to communities.
From community to communities.
Yes,
okay.
English community to English communities. It means that we have several or unlimited communities to come as a guest, and of course every week we invite them as a guest. There are 4 communities every week we invite. So one person is a representative of his or her community. So there are 4 community for peoples as a guest in every week. Different people, different. Yeah.
So how about the topic? Is it from yours or from the guests? The request from the guests.
Originally topic from me.
Oh, from you.
Because that program I create as I am a founder of English communities. From English community, the founder is come from radio, but English communities, that's my original concept. That's my original idea, and I directed to call them and make a group and make unite them, make a group from a lot of communities, all of English communities in South Sulawesi.
Oh, in one group.
Yeah, in one group.
So, sir, in your mind, what is the contribution of your communities in Smart FM to the, to the social, for example, or from the country, for example?
Okay.
So, what is the contribution?
Yeah, our program is very special, and also it's colorful because I make I how to say, I visit many communities to come to radio to give the stage, to give the chance to how to say, to put their self-actualization, how to train their self-confidence, especially from Gen Z, how to say the face the camera, how to speaking from the public, how to share each other by English, how to train, how to improve, sumber daya manusia, something like that. Yeah, so I really very happy to share with them and give their chance to to improve not only confidence but also their knowledge, their language, and
knowing each other from other
and connecting each other. Get the new cycle, like
new circle, positive circle.
As wasilah,
Wow, it's so amazing, I think.
Yeah, alhamdulillah.
Every week.
Every week, every regular, every week. And
where is the place?
The place in Pengayoman Street on Kompas TV building. And we are in the second floor in Studio Smart FM.
Oh, this is the special place.
Yeah. But in the first place, around 2017 until 2023, we were in Tribun Timur building in Cendrawasih. But since on June 2023, we moved to Kompas TV building in Pengayoman Street, Makassar, in second floor.
Okay.
Yeah, and I'm very happy. I'm very excited. Always, because I always meet the new people from all of communities. Because every week is always different. People different and different.
Oh, nice. Amazing. So, sir,
thank you.
Let's talk about your profession as a host.
Yeah.
How do you improve yourself to be a host? Where do you learn about to be a host? I mean,
my experience or my journey is I don't know how I call this. This is actually unique and sacrificing.
What is that?
I mean, since I child, I always looking for the stage and standing there, but without feedback. I mean, community, individual, my neighbor, and anyone called me, just call. There is no feedback, but I'm very enjoyed. I'm very enjoyed, and I look at the stage. I always perform since I was child, and until as a new student university. Yeah, and after that, I declare myself in second semester to be MC, professional MC, and of course I enter to the industrial, and after that, of course, I follow the audition to be a presenter, to be host, and it's very challenging because when we follow the audition, we have to show all of the competence, the criteria, the knowledge, and a lot of spontaneous challenge have to be shown to the judges to make they satisfied, and they say, okay, yes, you pass.
Wow.
Oh my God, it's very challenging. But the journey is, oh my God, it's very, very, how to say, it's a long time to be like this.
Like this right now.
Oh my God.
You may share to the viewers
A lot of
your
sacrifice.
obstacles
Yeah.
to be right now who you are. Yeah.
You know, because since child, I always looking for the stage, wherever I can stand, where I always looking for something like that. And it's difficult because you know, in the past time, not there is no how to say, it's not easy to looking for the stage for we have to standing and speak to the public. Yeah, there is no.
That's the challenge for you.
Yeah.
But right now, everyone is looking for you.
Amen.
Okay, sir. It's be a host. So, what is the happiness that you feel right now?
As a guest or as a host or as a
as a host and also as a moderator, for example.
Okay.
You are also as a moderator.
Yeah, I'm
what is
master of ceremony, moderator, speaker, guest host.
So what is the happiness that you really feel right now?
Yeah, you know, absolutely, I feel very happy because that's come from my deep heart. That's my passion to talking to the public, to talk like this, share each other. But speaker, I mean like guest or host, I like both them. I like to be guest or speaker. I like to be host, and of course, absolutely, I'm very passionate. I really enjoy what I do, what will I do, and what did I do. Yeah, what I did, I mean. Yeah,
it's the passion. So you do from your heart.
Yeah. I'm very lucky. Yeah.
So except from I mean in studio, do you have another activity in outdoor?
Yeah, as a master of ceremony, of course, I'm everywhere. As a master of ceremony, I'm in outdoor, indoor, as a host, something like that, in the field, and on the road, everywhere, on the mountain, on the island, in the mall, hotel.
Where is the area that's really far that you have job as a host?
As a host or as a master of ceremony?
Host first. Later I will ask about as a master of ceremony.
As a host? You know, because my activity as a host in one of TV station, of course, in only studio.
Oh, in only studio.
In only studio. But as a master of ceremony, of course, I am mobile. So everywhere, wherever the, how to say, client need me, of course, I will be there. Something like that.
Master of ceremony.
Yeah.
Whatever the occasion.
Yeah.
Based on the client, what they need.
Yeah.
So where do you learn about? Where do you learn to be a master of ceremony? Is it really different to be a host and master of ceremony?
Yes, different. Yeah, because you know when we how to say, work as a master of ceremony, a lot of unlimited exploration when we talking, when we speaking in front of public, because you know master of ceremony is need a lot of vocabulary, need a lot of duration, need a lot of energy, very expressive, and you know the context. Sometimes we have to speak out of the topic. I mean like exploration over improvisation. But as a host, not really too far to explore. It's only based on the patron I mean, yeah. But as a MC master of ceremony, we have to, you know, reach everything. We have to speak everything, even in the topic and out of the topic, to make it jokes, to how to say, to motivate the audience, to ice breaking, to persuasive, and give a lot of big energy to audience. Yeah,
That's the
it's challenging. It's challenging.
More challenging than
Yeah.
than how be a host.
Because I like both them, so I think it's the same. Because I like them, I think it's the same. Yeah, the challenge it's the same. Every activities has a unique challenge.
Unique
Something
challenge.
like that.
So, what is the sorrow? Be a master of ceremony.
Pardon?
What is the sorrow?
Sorrow.
Yeah,
Do you mean?
the sadness of master of
okay.
ceremony.
Okay. The sadness of master ceremony. You know, when we work as a master ceremony, a lot of how to say, a lot of challenging and outside. As a master of ceremony, of course, we have to follow the client, the consumer, the customer, about their requests. Often they request, you know, they request this, and how to say, in bahasa sesuka hati, something like that, and we have to follow them, That's why we have to very adaptive with the client, with the situation, and also the rundown, because rundown is also change. The rundown is not fixed, always change. That's why we have to switch. We have to make it faster, mobile faster, think faster, and it's the pressure is on. Very pressure as a master of ceremony, because you have to follow the customer, the client, the situation, the rundown. Then the situation always is change and very faster.
It's really challenging.
Yeah, challenging, and sometimes there is complaint. Sometimes there is very colorful. we have to how to say, use use the dress code. We have to well prepare. We have to very mastering the concept, the situation, the audience, the location, everything. It's complicated actually.
Complicated.
Yeah, as a
Be
master
a master
ceremony.
of ceremony.
Yeah, special if we are as MC all events, because I am MC all events, not specific. Of course, always unlimited challenging when we face the situation.
It's a formal and informal situation.
All of
that.
Sometimes I face also the kindergarten, sometimes mature people, sometimes Gen Z, millennials, and all of Gen.
All of Gen.
All of generation.
How long you have been a master of ceremony?
Since I was a child also. Kids.
Kids.
Yeah.
And that's really your passion.
And free.
You're free.
I'm free.
And right now?
Of course, commercial. I mean, like professional, yeah.
So why do you, and have you been a master of ceremony that using English performance?
I did in wedding ceremony, because you know the couple the how to say, the couple from Indonesia and also how to say United States, or another client from Turkey and Indonesia, another client from USA and Indonesia, and another from another country also.
Wow, it's really nice.
Yeah, because you know, I how to say, I receive all of events. That's why that's my challenge. I have to make it make it, you know, control the situation and mastering the situation.
So where do you learn about English?
I got my English from autodidact. Yes, autodidact, pieces for pieces, word by word. Since I was child, I always bring my pocket dictionary. You know, manual dictionary, not alphabet, manual, like this, the size like this. I always put in my pocket. Yeah, and go to everywhere. When I go to the warung, I found many unfamiliar words. I mean, like English words, and I don't know the meaning. I see and I open. Wherever I always bring my manual dictionary in my pocket. Yeah.
You learn by autodidact.
But when I continue my study, especially in university, I took English department, and of course while I joined it in BPEC, Benteng Panyu English Club, Max, Hack, and etc. And after that, when I when I pass in university, I works in outside as a sailor, cruise ship, and I have experience to get a friendship in more 40 nationalities from all of the world, because my industry is hospitality. I works in, that's why I was improve my English. And of course when I until I work, when I get vacation, I come to my village. I'm back to Makassar as a host also, while my vacation, as a host also in Smart FM, and until now.
Wow. It's since 2017.
The English program 2017, but I just sometimes I go to abroad to work, and sometimes I back, something like that. But since 2022, I resign. I was resigned in my works in abroad, and I stay in Smart FM to coordinate, as a host, as a founder of English program communities, and president of English communities of Makassar.
Only you as a host in Smart FM, or you have another?
I have another program in one of a TV station in Indonesia, namely Net TV. I have, but not English program,
not English.
Religi program and inspirative program.
In Net TV?
Yes.
When?
It is.
When we can see your face in Net TV?
You may visit. On YouTube channel, Net TV Social, and just subscribe and open, and you can see my face.
Wow, you have a lot of experience.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
So you may share to the viewers. And it's really amazing for me to
and
hear.
And the viewers, IMTV, do not forget to share this YouTube channel, and of course subscribe and share. Yeah.
Don't forget also to comment.
Comment.
About English.
Yeah.
Because you are also have English basic actually.
Yeah, in university.
What is the struggle being as an English student?
Even we are English students, it's not guaranteed our English is fluent.
Yeah.
Because it's very difficult to consistent to istiqomah in anything, actually, not only English, but especially in English, as I mentioned just now, there's no guarantee. Even we are English student, we cannot guarantee that our speaking our English is fluent. Why? Because English is a practice. English totally, or have to absolutely, we have to we have to speak English every day. If we do not speak English, of course, absolutely, our ability is decreasing. Absolutely, yeah. Because a lot of my friends not fluent in English anymore, because they are seldom to practice in English.
I see.
That's why I istiqomah to speak English.
Around your environment.
No, there is no natural environment about English.
So how do you practice your English?
I practice my English in my community, in my radio.
Yes.
I'm watching English program in my internet.
YouTube.
Yeah, internet on my Wi-Fi on my house, and actually searching on Google so and get a chat with another foreigners.
The more we practice, the more we get.
Exactly.
Okay, sir. What else you want to say about be a moderator?
Okay. Be a moderator also. It sounds like host, MC. Of course, absolutely. We have to learn. We have to research. We have to well prepare before we before we are running the situation and face the situation and handle the program. And of course, absolutely, we have to well prepare before we go to the stage like this. Also, you have to research, you have to ask, you have to something like that.
Be a host, moderator, and master of ceremony. Which one that you really like?
All of them.
All of them.
All of them. All of them. Not exception.
No exception.
I like all of them. I like all of them.
Because that's
My
your
passion.
passion.
Yeah.
That's the
Really my
point.
passion. Yeah.
Whatever the challenging the situation,
Yeah.
just go on.
Go with the flow.
With the flow. Well, the last question. What do you want to say
Also
to the
said the last.
viewers?
Okay.
What do you want to say to the viewers to always improve themselves in their passion, in their English, or what else? Just say to the viewers.
Okay, for the viewers, IMTV, please, be diligent, be wise, and make a good circle, positive circle, especially for the good environment to make your to make you very smart, be good one, always progress, keep moving forward.
Keep moving forward.
Yes.
Well, thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome.
We will talk, inshallah, another time.
Yes.
In another topic.
Okay.
Inshallah. Thank you so much for coming here. Nice talking to you. Thank
Me
you so
too.
much for your experience, for your knowledge to the audience, and for me.
Thank you so much for the invitation.
Well, the viewers, that's all our program today. Thank you so much for looking us, and don't forget to give your comment, like, and also subscribe. And the last time I'm going to say, such as Mr. Sham said, just only progress, improve yourself, and also don't forget to say, practice makes perfect.
Yes,
well, thank you
absolutely.
so much. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.